Welcome, dear viewer, to the Grand Hyatt Erawan in Bangkok. This, my friends, is a deluxe king. And we actually got this because I booked through American Express Hotel Collection and it came with a free upgrade. So we got a significantly higher caliber of room than that for which we paid. So as you see, it is a really gorgeous room. We have this lovely sofa, which is pretty comfy here. And I love the detailing, all the traditional Thai accents, the fabrics, the textures, the dark woods. And what's fantastic about this room is we have one hell of a view. Look at that. A golf course in Bangkok. Who would have thought that that should be a thing? But apparently it is. I didn't even know that myself. So we have this beautiful king-size bed. Firm for people who like firm, but not Korean firm, as in stiff like a board. Over here, we have the mini bar area, and as always, it comes with water in a glass bottle. Again, a sign of a 5-star hotel. Your water comes in glass bottles, not plastic. But one of the things I love about this space is that we have a lacquerware tray with an actual tea set and an actual tea kettle. Isn't that gorgeous? And then, of course, when we first got here, I couldn't figure out where the tea fixings were. Here is the mini bar. The tea is complimentary. The foodstuffs are absolutely not. So we've got jasmine green, Earl Grey, and what I consider to be medicine, chamomile tea. Awaiting us was this lovely fruit tray with an orange, an apple, cute little mini bananas, and edible greens, which looked like the greens I actually had with my Lana breakfast this morning. There was also waiting for me this lovely card from the hotel, and probably this is going to be something along the lines of thank you for being a guest with us. Dear Ms. Lorenz, we wish you a warm welcome to the Grand Hyatt Erawan. We look forward to ensuring your comfort. Should there be anything we can do to make your visit more enjoyable, please contact guest service by dialing 0 so that we may respond immediately to your needs. We wish you a pleasant stay. It's little touches like this that make you feel that much more valued and appreciated as a guest. So part of that 5-star service. Now, something that was really interesting is this. This is our key card. It is wood, actually. It is a real wood key card. So this whole thing where we must use plastic for everything because, well, apparently you can put those little chips in a wooden card and we get to keep these if we want, we were told. Isn't that pretty neat? Okay, over here we have the rest of the liquid mini bar, lots of overpriced beverages, Rittersport, which I always associate with Thailand. We'll probably have them empty this out because we won't be drinking it. A coffee maker, Nespresso, unfortunately, although, yeah, I guess there are Nespresso pods. I hate Nespresso. It's a big waste. Full screen TV. There is this bench under here, and once we get our luggage out of the way, we'll be able to actually pull that out. So there's actually plenty of seating for if you want to host. Over here we have the closet, and again, I just love the dark woods. Of course, robes, slippers down here, which may or may not be complimentary. These ones are considerably less nice than the ones that are Le Méridien Marriott in Chiang Rai, so I suspect these are keepers. And if you want to be so bourgeois as to do your own ironing instead of pay for the ironing service, they have that. Over here, we've got a safe. And here you actually have baskets for storage. These are leather, actually. Leather and teak, or batik, excuse me, leather and batik. They're very nice. Cute little strange froggy thingy. Also lacquer, well, this is lacquerware too. Yeah, there's all these lacquerware pieces in here. It's, they've really gone to lengths to make it feel like a contemporary space, but not a soulless one. For instance, you have this here, which is also teak or lacquerware, lacquered wood. So it's actually quite light. It looks like it should be heavy. It's not. We have a speaker, which will of course probably dock with your various devices. Interesting. I don't know what that is. If you know what that is, dear viewer, do let me know. But we have all sorts of drawers and storage space, which is good for if you're staying a long time. We're staying 2 days, so we're definitely not unpacking entirely. Let's go into the bathroom. So first off, there is a door.
Go from the other side.
It's a very interesting arrangement. We have the commode, of course, with a phone right next to it so that if someone calls, you can answer. Over here, we have our shower. Very nice shower with a rain head above and the handset for those who prefer that, like I do. And then we have a very deep soaking tub. And again, I really love the decor, the tile, the marble, glass bottles of water for your drinking, and then a really luxurious detail. Again, these are complimentary toiletries, and they are provided in lacquerware. All of this is a matched lacquerware set, which I'm just adoring, but very interesting is missing must-haves. So we have a list of complimentary items that you can request and may or may not be in this box. It's quite extensive. Some of the more interesting ones are a lint mitt, a compass. Okay, but then there's a whole list of items and they phrase it this way: enjoy these items during your stay with us, or take them with you and we'll simply charge them to your room, which is a very nice way of saying if you take them, you will get a big bill from us. Some of the items that people have apparently just taken: curling iron and flat iron, free weight set, the electric kettle, apparently the duvet and the pillows, power adapters I could see accidentally being taken, yoga mat, the bathrobes you will get charged for if you take them. Yeah, so people have tried to just, take things for free, but just be aware the hotel is watching and they will charge you for the items that you are not supposed to take. Today, I guess their products are Balmain from Paris, and first reading of the items in here, it is basically a chemistry set, so I'm not particularly impressed. The quality of products at the Meridian was actually much better in terms of actually having some natural ingredients like shea butter. Okay, well, I think that is basically it. So, what do you think, dear viewer? I think we paid $250 a night for this hotel, but we had a $200 credit. So we actually only ended up paying like $300 for 2 nights. And we are in downtown Bangkok, right in the heart of the Shishi 5-star hotel district and right on the BTS line. So we are very conveniently and centrally located for that. Yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. We are now going to relax and enjoy some tea from our beautiful tea set and maybe eat some of this fruit or some of these leaves. It tastes like a leaf. Okay, well, everyone, until next time, may your travels be creative and planned, and stay tuned for more of our Thailand adventures as we spend the weekend here in Bangkok. Bye, everyone.